Oh hey, thanks for stopping by the channel. Cam Cullen here from RRLRC. And while you're here, might as well check out my first ever outdoor off-road club race. Before we get going, if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and ring that bell for all of our off-road RC car racing action. Boy, was that a good one on this hot and sunny springtime Sunday at DirtRunners in Oak Ridge, New Jersey, an RC car track that races in two varieties, off-road and dirt oval. This 12-car A-main featured a group of skilled racers, and it was any of 5 cars' race up until the final moment. Take a look at our qualifying time. Here at RRLRC, we specialize in two-wheel drive modified short course truck racing, so we were all over that race. I traveled here with fellow RRLRC racer Brent Post, and the biggest question coming into this was tire selection and tire compound. With the sun beating down on the track all day, by the time the A-main came around, not only was it a hot track, it was also full of loose dirt. So I opted with Raw Speed Super Mini tire in their super soft compound. Did it pay off? Here's the A-main footage from this exciting club race now.
First place with a 16-lap 14.5 pace, followed by Cam Cullen in second place with a 17-lap 17.1 pace, followed by third place with a 16-lap 5.8 pace, followed by Brent Post in fourth place with a 16-lap 15.1 pace. Cam and Jonathan are the top 3 right now with 3.5 minutes to go. Cam and Jonathan. The next race, four-wheel drive sport course. 8 minutes long. The 8-scale buggy. Race 13, 8 minutes long. After 2 minutes, the top drivers are Doug Small in first place with a 15-lap 17.9 pace, followed by Cam Cullen in second place with a 15-lap 21.1 pace, followed by Jonathan Farrar in third place with a 14-lap 5.3 pace, followed by Brent Post in fourth place with a 14-lap 5.2.9 pace. The top drivers are Doug Small in first place with a 14-lap 5.9.5 pace, followed by Cam Cullen in second place with a 14-lap 10.6 pace, followed by Brent Post in third place with a 14-lap 12.2 pace, followed by Cam Cullen in fourth place with a 14-lap 5.14 flat pace. With a minute and a half to go, Cam, Brent, Doug, Jack, Jonathan, Ryan, George, Dylan, Patrick, Eric, and Brady. 17.2 pace, followed by Doug Small, third place with a 14-lap 5:16.3 pace, followed by Jeff Bonham, fourth place with a 14-lap 5:17.5 pace. Seconds to go. Cam, Brent, and Jonathan, top three. Cam Cullen done with the 14-lap 5:17.4 result. Doug Small done with the 14-lap 5:17.5 result.
So there you have it. A club race at DirtRunners. What a finish it was. My 3 key takeaways. 1, tire selection. In the future, I'm rocking with an M3 soft compound over an M4 super soft compound. Another tip, keep your head down and race. It's really important out there to take it 1 lap at a time and try to just be consistent out there. And finally, if you're not prepared, you're prepared to fail. I brought several different pairs of tires to test out and try throughout my qualifying times. By the time the A-main came around, I was confident with my tire selection. And also I brought spare parts just in case. You want to make sure that your car is locked and loaded. You want to make sure that every bolt is properly secure. That's my club racing experience. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everybody, this is Cam Cullen signing off.